what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes and Tools.
Today we are exploring Oreate AI. We'll break down its features and find out if it's actually worth your try.
Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share in the comments which AI you want me to review after this one.
When you log in, the layout is super simple. You get one main box where you can ask for anything, and right under it you can jump into the key tools like Slides Agent, AI Presentation, General Writer, AI Tutor, AI Image, and AI Design. The way I like to test tools like this is by doing a real task. So let's start with the most important one, slides. Here is the workflow. I open Slides Agent, type a one-line topic, and let it generate the structure for me. What matters is not just creating a few slides, but making something that actually looks like a real presentation with sections that make sense. And if you already have content, you can skip the start from zero problem by uploading a document and letting it pull the key points automatically. This is the part that saves the most time, because instead of copying paragraphs and rewriting them manually, you are basically saying, here is my source, turn it into slides. After that, the big win is export plus editing. If I want to tweak a title, swap a section, or change the layout, I can do it without rebuilding everything from scratch. This is exactly where most basic slide generators fail. They generate something decent, but then you feel stuck. Here, the goal is to get you to a usable draft fast and still let you customize it. Now let's talk about visuals, because slides are useless if they look empty. Oreate AI has an image generation section where you can describe what you need or upload a reference, and it creates visuals without you needing design skills. The interesting detail here is that it is integrated with a model called Nano Banana Pro, which is currently the best image model. That matters a lot if you are generating posters, thumbnails, product images, or even simple slide graphics, because messy text instantly makes the output look unprofessional. So for a quick test, imagine you are making a product poster or a clean cover image for a presentation. You describe the style, the colors, the subject, and you get a usable result fast. This alone can replace the open Photoshop, search for assets, adjust fonts, export loop that wastes hours. The third feature I want to show is AI Tutor, because this one is actually useful for students, but also for anyone learning a new topic quickly. The flow is simple. You either type a learning topic or you upload study materials like notes, courseware, or a PDF, and it turns it into multiple formats. The formats that matter are mind maps for structure, infographics for turning complex ideas into visuals, and quizzes or flashcards for quick testing. If you have ever revised for an exam, you know the hardest part is not reading, it is organizing and testing yourself. So if a tool can take your messy notes and turn them into a clean map plus flashcards, that is real value. And now I tried out the infographic feature. I started simple, asking it to generate a clean, colorful infographic with 5 tips for improving daily productivity. The result was visually engaging, with icons, short text blocks, and an easy-to-read layout. It was amazing to see how quickly the tool could take a concept and turn it into a polished visual guide that could be shared anywhere. Next, I experimented with the quiz feature. I asked Create AI to generate a 5-question multiple-choice quiz on world geography, complete with 4 answer options for each question and the correct answers highlighted. The quiz came out structured and ready to use, perfect for educational content or just testing your own knowledge. I could see how this feature would be especially useful for teachers, content creators, or anyone looking to make interactive learning materials without spending hours designing them. After those top 3, the rest of the workspace becomes like a toolkit depending on what you do. If you write a lot, there is an AI essay writer that focuses on long structured writing, and it also includes a built-in editor so you can expand, condense, and polish paragraphs in one place instead of copy-pasting between tools. There is also a Humanize feature, which is basically designed to rewrite content that sounds robotic into something more natural and human. If you do client work, school assignments, or content writing, you already know how common it is for AI text to feel too perfect and get flagged. Having a button that helps you rewrite and smooth the tone can save a lot of manual editing time. And then there is the podcast tool, which is honestly underrated, because sometimes you do not want to read a long report or a research brief. You want to understand it while you are doing something else. The idea here is you pick a topic and it generates a podcast-style audio in minutes with saved history so you can come back later. For teachers, that can turn lesson plans into audio. For students, it can turn notes into something you can listen to while commuting. For creators, it can turn scripts into quick narration drafts.
Quand on pense à cette période, on imagine souvent le fracas, les idées nouvelles qui fusent. Enfin, les impôts sont énormes et les idées des lumières circulent.
So here is the real comparison. A lot of AI tools do one thing. One tool makes slides, another makes images, another rewrites text, another makes audio. Oreate AI is trying to be the single workspace where you can finish the whole project in one place. Slides plus visuals plus tutoring formats plus writing plus rewriting plus audio. That combination is what makes it useful because real work is never just one output. It is the full pipeline. If you want to try it, I will put the Oreate AI link in the description and in the pinned comment along with the discount code. And if you try it, tell me what you want me to test next. Slides, tutor features, or the image and design side. Thanks for watching and see you soon.